Hi and welcome. I am here today with HOMTOM S9 Plus, and I'll be showing you how to customize your notifications bar. First, we have to go to the Google Play Store, and from there look for an application called OneShade. Oh, it's right here actually. Its full name is OneShade Custom Notifications and Quick Settings. Install it. Wait for a bit. Now open it. Welcome to OneShade. Now you have to give following permissions for the app to run: dual SIM, allow, accessibility, OneShade, on, use OneShade, okay, let's go back, notifications, OneShade, allow. Yes, I agree, don't show again. Now we are good to go. So as you can see, our notifications bar didn't change much. So let's go to colors, for example, and let's change the background color to be, for example, dark blue. Yeah. And as you can see, the color of our notifications bar has changed. Let's try changing the text color, for example, to pinkish, something like this. Apply, and now everything that is considered text has changed its color. Weirdly enough, the icons are also considered text for by this application, but that doesn't matter. Come on, let's see what else we can change. You can change the layout, data usage, pop-ups, and edge triggers. But I'm going to leave it all to you to check and explore. And we are ending this video here. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye.